Welcome back to my channel. In this video I am going to show how to install Java JDK on Windows operating system. So let's get started. At first open your favorite web browser and then browse this URL www.oracle.com. Hit enter and then click on the products menu, then scroll down and select Java. Now click on this download Java link. Finally scroll down and select the JDK version and then select the operating system. Now download the installer file. I am going to download this installer file. Simply click on this download link. That's it. It may take a while for downloading JDK 25 for Windows operating system. After a successful download, navigate to the downloads folder and then open this installer. If you asked a question from user account control, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Select yes. Now click on next and then choose the JDK installation directory. This is the default installation location. I am going to install JDK on this program files. Click on next. It may take a while for installing Java as a development kit. That's it. Close this wizard and then I am going to set the Java home path environment variable. So open edit the system environment variables. Click on the environment variables and I am going to create a new environment variable for all users. So go to the system variable section and then click on new. Now define the variable name here, Java underscore home, and then go into the local disk C, then program files, Java JDK, copy this path and paste here as a value for this variable. Then click on OK. Now click on the path variable, then click on edit. You can delete this. Okay, now click on new to add the environment variable here. Here this is the win subdirectory. Inside this subdirectory, Java compiler stored in. So add this here, then click on OK. OK. Now open command prompt to verify the installation. Type Java version, hit enter. That's it. Java 25.0.1 installed successfully on Windows operating system, and this is the latest LTS version of Java JDK. If you like this video, like, comment and share. Thank you so much for watching this video.